The highlighter looks fantastic on camera. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you another easy makeup look, and this time I have used some coppery eyeshadows that look very nice for fall. For today's makeup look I have used the Flirt palette by Essence. You can use any eyeshadows that you have that they are similar in color. Let me know in the comments below if you use for everyday copper eyeshadows or even red eyeshadows. I try to stay away from red eyeshadows. I like copper eyeshadows, but red eyeshadows are not my thing, especially if you have green eyes. This eye look will look fantastic on you. If you try it, please tag me on Instagram so I can see your creation. I think it will be lovely. Share this video with a friend that likes fall makeup looks. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take eyeshadow over ice cream and I will apply it on my brow bone. Also blend it with no additional product. With brush 221 by Zoeva, I will take eyeshadow all day and I will apply it into my crease. Also blend it towards the brow bone highlighter. With a smaller blending brush, I take the brush 225 by Zoeva. I take the eyeshadow Wink Wink and I apply it into my crease but closer to my eyelid. This eyeshadow has some fallouts, tap the excess off. With no additional product, I continue blending the edges until everything is very smooth. And I start by applying my eyeshadow brush in the outer corner of my eye, and then I bring it into my crease. As you can see, this is the hollow of my brow bone, and I blend it towards the inner corner of my eye. You can go back and forth, or you can also use circular motions, whatever it works for your eye shape. I will take some more and I will apply it in the outer crease to make it more intense. And with no additional product, I will continue blending the edges. I will take the 221 brush and I will take again eyeshadow all day and I will blend the edges of my previous application. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take again eyeshadow Wink Wink and I will apply it in the lower lash line. Also blend it into the eyelid. And with whatever is left on your brush, just blend the inner lower lash line. For the lower lash line, this eyeshadow blends very nice and it looks very diffused, but for hooded eyes it's difficult to build the intensity on this part here that I want, so I can make my eyes uplifted. With the same eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take eyeshadow for Love and I will just press it on my eyes. Press it on your eyelid to have maximum intensity. This is not very shimmer, it has more like a satin finish. And clean your brush on a tissue and blend the edges so you don't have harsh lines. If you want a more intense copper eyeshadow that it is ultra shimmer, you can use this one by Essence. This is the Melted Chrome eyeshadow and I have done an eye look. I will have here the review for all the colors and you will see them in action and how creamy they are. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow on the beach and I will apply it on the inner eyelid and blend it with the other eyeshadow. You can leave it like this, but I want to make it a little bit more shimmer. So I'm going to apply on top of it this melted chrome eyeshadow in the color Ironic. And I will apply it with a sponge tip applicator. I will take again with my eyeshadow brush Eyeshadow for Love, and I will intensify my outer eyelid and also blend it with the shimmery eyeshadow. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I take eyeshadow too much and I apply it very close to my lashes. I will apply black eye pencil into my waterline. For mascara, I will use the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline in Black Drama. To contour my face, I want to use the Face to Face Contouring and Highlighting Palette by Essence. This is a new palette. I have also used it in the Testing New Essence Makeup Products video. I will have a card here if you want to see which other products I have tested. So with brush 109 by MAC, I will take the shade Grounded, this one here, and I will apply it on my cheekbones. And again, I blend it towards my nose, the tip of my nose. And blend, 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 blend. I will use a little bit also on my nose, on the sides of my nose and on the tip of my nose, and I will blend it towards the brows. With L Brush by Zerva Cosmetics, I will take the blush box by Catrice Cosmetics. This is in the color Golden Coral. I will use this one on the highest point of my cheeks and blend it towards the contouring, so everything will look very natural. I am testing today a new foundation, the Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, so I will have a card here if you want to watch that video. With the same brush, I will also take this shade here, So Sunny, and I will blend the edges of my blush and contouring application. For my highlighter today, I will use this shade here. It is called Better in Bronze, and I will apply it with E40 brush by Sigma. Big fluffy brush and with big circular motions. Let's blend everything. The highlighter looks fantastic on camera. Woo-hoo! On my lips, I will apply the High Shine Gloss by Marc Jacobs in the color Love Buzz. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also let me know in the comments what is your favorite color of eyeshadows that you use for every day. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!